How to change base currency in MetaMask. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the base currency. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this settings icon. Tap on settings. So, you're in your settings interface. Here on the top, you'll be able to see the option called General. Tap on General. So, these are all the general settings that are available. Now, on the top at the section of currency conversion, you can see this drop down button. Simply tap on this drop down button. So as you can see, there are different currencies that are available, so you can change into whichever you want to. Here I'm selecting one. Now it is set default to this one, and all the charts and all the information of stocks will be given in this. So if you go back, it is all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.